All right, guys, I'm excited to unbox this new light from V-Show. This is the Puzzle. It is GT640, and that is what they're calling it, Puzzle. And it comes in this super cool V-Show box here. So we have our design layout here so you can see what the light is. We got V-Show's logo here. Apparently it's fragile. There's a fragile sticker on it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's grab our handy dandy scissors to open this. Open that up. Open this up. And the first thing we are greeted with is the user manual. So this is the GT640 Puzzle by V-Show. Another schematic diagram of the light fixture itself. So this is actually a pretty thick user manual. I recommend reading through it. There's a lot going on with this light. This is one of their newest light fixtures, so I'm excited to show you guys this. There will be an in-depth review later on, but for right now we're just doing the unboxing. So the first thing they have included here is their V-Show branded PowerCon cable. So this is a 20 amp PowerCon, as you can see here. Thank you guys for including that. The next thing they have included is their V-Show branded 3-pin. This is a DMX 3-pin cable, and it's V-Show branded. Love that they brand their own PowerCon and V-Show connectors. It makes it feel more robust and like you're getting your money's worth, so that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and take this light out of the box and show you guys what it looks like. Not a super heavy light fixture, but it's definitely not lightweight, especially when carrying with one hand, but we did get it out of the box here. As you can see, V-Show includes very thick foam padding in all of their light fixtures. I love that because I feel like I'm going to receive a product that's not going to be broken. So when this is shipped to you guys from the factory, you're going to get the actual light in one piece and not broken up, because you know how shipping is with sensitive things. So let's go ahead and remove these. And we have our plastic bag, and the plastic bag is basically acting as a dust cover to make sure that no dust gets on the fixture itself. And there you have it. This is V-Show's Puzzle GT640. This is one of their newest light fixtures. Like I did say earlier, I'm going to be doing a review on this later on, but for right now, this is just our unboxing video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. There will be a 3-part review on this later on. TheatricallyJerry, stay tuned for that. You're going to want to see this light. This is one of the newest technologies in DJ and stage lighting, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching.